fixing the camera. What's new? What's new this week? Well, right now you're watching a previously recorded set of videos. So if you're watching a video, it's recorded at least a couple months ago. And what's new basically this week is I've been cleaning out the outside of my garage for winter, because when they come and plow the driveway, everything's going to get plowed. Plus, it's just junk out there. So I've been loading my car up. I got a few of those things on video. I will be popping up some other random videos in between, just like stuff that I'm doing. You'll probably see some of the shorts that I make. If they're not dumb shorts of my kid going, yeah, more tools. Which that was too funny. I had to do that. I will be making, I have a whole set of videos up till almost March, but I'm going to intersect some other videos every, I'll have one or two videos every 3 or 4 days just to keep it interesting. Because I'm going to see if I can get some bigger, longer videos, I guess series of stuff I'm doing, and tack it onto the existing videos. And some of the short ones, like new tools and stuff, I'll add them in on Tuesdays and just random things. But of course, I'm chewing gum in the middle of this video again. Other than that, I'm just cleaning. I'm doing kind of I don't know, spring cleaning here, because I got a pile of steel over there. I'm still moving stuff around. I'm trying to clean up stuff for winter. I took out some more junk that somebody dropped off, and it's a nightmare. I got another vise to fix. Tomorrow night, I'm going to work on some Wilton vise jaws, because I really got to get that Wilton finished, and I want to bolt it to the bench. I might just take I could keep that one there. I might actually put the vise on this side and take this. Here, I'll show you. Take this thing off the bench. The only reason why it's here is because it weighs 100 pounds, and I think I messed up my back lifting it. So I'm going to put that on the bench somewhere over there. And basically, yeah, there's a pile of junk in there. I'm getting to that, don't worry. And so got to put the vise here. But I want to figure out how to connect to the table so I can disconnect it and then move it and reconnect it. I was thinking those pins that go on the table, I'm able to just pop them in there and hold it. They're 5/8 pins, 2 inches long. I'm thinking of putting a couple of holes right where the vise is, so I can just push the top, pull the pin out, move the vise over, and do it that way. Other than that, family life and kids and stuff are keeping me a little more busy. Like I said, I can spend another year making videos. It's I got all kinds of stuff to do here. I have stuff to do at my house. The most pressing thing is to get this Wilton vise that's sitting here in a box off my bench, only so I can maybe move on to, fixing this debauchery, but this is, it should be a little less work, but more machining videos. I gotta figure out how to level my milling machine, because it's, instead of cutting straight, it's going up. So I have to, I don't know, I have to level the, what do you call it? The milling machine vise. I think my milling machine vise is more than a couple of thousandths off, because when you cut something, and I know the tooling isn't bending because the drill bit's this thick. I mean, I know the machines flex and drill bits flex, but it's going it's always in one direction. So when I cut it side to side, it stays what looks like level. But when I cut it to and from me, whatever, front to back, it rides up. So I know something's up with that. And I gotta make a bar to hold the what do you call it? Dial indicator, and do that. Thanks to Ralphie's Customs, he showed how to zero that thing in. So I got somewhat idea. I got to clean around it. There's a pile of shit next to it. I cleaned all the scrap around it, and I'm trying to get around this bench again clean. It's looking like an impossible task, but it'll get done. So anyway, I hope you like this little update. I don't know. I don't even know why I'm doing updates. I'm not like I got 4,000 people on this channel, but it's fun. So I got to sit here in my garage and talk to myself at night, and I get to see what people's reactions are. So yeah, Wayne, you better be first in this video. Danny, don't make fun of me because I'm not using tools. And if you want, just in case you didn't see any of these in the video, here you saw a vice grip. And don't forget too, there's all kinds of hammers in my video. So maybe I'll make a, what do you call it? A thumbnail with each thing. Me using a tool, hammer, and bright grips. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. That's my update.